Hi, this is Catherine Aird, and I have a super great social media tip to share with you today. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and ring the bell to make sure you're notified whenever there's new super great content coming your way. So, what I've discovered is how to deal with all my million photos that I have on my phone that I've been trying to organize and make space on my phone, how to do it all from my desktop. And this is kind of magic. I thought that would have known that, but I didn't. And basically how it works is that my iPhone through iCloud is connected to my desktop, to my tablet, my iPad, to everything. And they all talk to each other. So I went for fun and I was like, can I just deal with my photos on iCloud? And I came into iCloud Photos. So you click that, you can Google that, iCloud.com photos, and then it brings you to basically everything you have on your device. So if you say I was already signed it, but I will show you how it works. So you get into this iCloud.com and then photos, and you sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't remember your Apple ID, don't worry, you can click forget Apple ID or password and you'll get all the information. So my password is already saved in my computer, which is so magical. So you get into here, and now what happens? All the photos that are on my phone are actually showing onto my computer. So this is great if I want to mass delete information. So I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't need any of this. I can select, I click command and click, select and hit the garbage here. Boom, it's gonna delete from iCloud Photos on all my devices, which in my situation, it's great because it cleans up my phone at the same time. Now, if I want to organize my photos into folders and albums that will show on my device. So why would I do that? If I want to post an Instagram account as my business, if I want to do post some posts from my phone from my client's account, if I want to organize my photos that I have on my phone into some photo albums to print them in the future, I can do all this on desktop. So you go into your albums and see how it says my albums here. I've created some folders, and in my folders I have little albums. So if I go into this is bootcamp. If you click Alt and then click, you can rename it. So I'm gonna put Kids for Keep It Simple, and this is a project I do with Heather, are the bootcamps. So I can go here and I go into my photos and I select, these are the photos of our bootcamp. Now if I'm like, this is too small, I don't see anything, you scroll this up, which is amazing because you never can see anything on your phone. So see, this is all photos from our bootcamp. So I can go here and say, okay, I'm gonna keep this one, this one is the one I like best. This one I like, and I really like this video, but I'm gonna keep it as a testimonial, and this video, say. So I drag them here under this folder that I have created that is called Bootcamp. Now to create a folder, you click plus and create a photo album, under my folder. So I take those and I put them into my little Bootcamp photo album. And so now all my photos show here. And I could go here under this folder, click plus, and I can create some new albums or new folders. So the albums is where you see all your images. Say for testimonials, so I could say here I would have a new album that would be, say, Bootcamp testimonials. And if I go back into my photos, I will go here and say, oh, this is this great lady that did testimonial. So if I'm looking on my phone in the future and I'm like, oh, I should really do a post today about a testimonial, I just have to go on my phone into the album testimonials, and boom, it's going to be all there and organized. Now, what happens if I want to make some space on my devices? Because if you delete stuff, it still stays in a recently deleted folder. See how this is there? So this is all recently deleted images. So you can scroll through and say, okay, Do I really want all this? Yeah, no, I don't need it. Okay, that's all right. I've deleted a bunch of videos. So you can go here and you click on one and then you do Command A. So Command A, which selects all, and then you can say delete 331 items. Delete it all. And this is what's going to make room on my phone and on all my devices, because it's going to delete everything. And it is so amazing because all of a sudden it did free up some space on my phone because it's deleted from everywhere. So this is super cool. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. But by all means, make it a goal for you this week to try this out. If you're, unfortunately, you have to be on Apple devices, but if you do have that option, really, really try it out. So I hope this works out, and we'll see you in the next episode.